Let me tell you that the easiest way of making money online right now is by using artificial intelligence or AI. And one of the biggest AI tools out there right now is Chatgpt. Now, if you are not familiar with Chatgpt, it's essentially an AI writing tool that has the capability to think and write similar of how a human would. That essentially means you have a talented worker, which in the past would have costed you thousands of dollars per month to put out on a payroll for all of the hours of the day, ready to produce for you in a matter of seconds whatever you want right now. What's really surprising to me is that a lot of people might have heard ChatGPT about, but they're not really using it to make money online. But if you're watching this video right now, you're in the right place. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about making money online by using ChatGPT. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So the first way of making money online with ChatGPT is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is one of the laziest or easiest way of making money online nowadays, especially when you pair it with an AI tool like ChatGPT. Affiliate marketing is a system of marketing where you advertise another company's product and you get paid a percentage of every single sale that you refer. Now, setting up your own affiliate marketing system is pretty easy in the sense that you don't even have to go out there and create a product and create the whole infrastructure behind the back end of that product. Instead, all you simply have to do is drive the traffic. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your own system step by step of the best way of driving traffic into your very own website. Now in the past, when it comes to making a website, you'd have to hire a team of writers to make the content for you or spend all day and night writing the content yourself. Nowadays, the hardest part that goes into running a website, which is writing the content, can be done for you by tools like ChatGPT. Now the first step of doing this is choosing a niche. Examples of different niches includes fitness, kitchen products, shoes, and more. Now for example, I pick shoes. So in order to implement this strategy, I would create a blog around different shoes. In order to create your own blog, there's so many different platforms out there to choose from. For example, WordPress, Webflow, and Myrad, or any other different ones that you could go ahead and get. And after choosing your platform, you can get your own blog literally within an hour or two. And once you have your blog, the way that we're going to drive traffic to it and eventually to affiliate products is by writing articles on it. By writing articles on some of the most searched questions and queries that people have related to your niche. In this example, we're using shoes. Now, most of people, when they're trying to look for a pair of shoes to buy, they're going to be searching pros and cons between different shoes, and sometimes they're looking for the top 10 list. For example, the top 10 best football shoes, or the top 10 running shoes or basketball shoes, whatever. All these people not only are looking for the right shoe to buy, but most importantly, they're looking for advice. Now, this is where ChatGPT comes into making this incredibly easy and lazy for you. What you can do is you can literally ask ChatGPT to give me 50 different ideas for article for a shoe blog. Then, you'll get those ideas. I would recommend searching a couple of them to make sure that there's demand for those particular subjects. Now, let's say it gives you an idea to write about a particular shoe like a New Balance 992. Then, all you have to do is plug into ChatGPT, write me a 2,000 word article of all the pros and cons, the feature and anything else that's important about the New Balance 992, and ChatGPT will literally write a complete article for you that then you can post on your website. You can go ahead and edit little parts yourself, but even better, you can go ahead and let ChatGPT edit those out for you. So after setting up your blog, just go ahead and sign up for Amazon affiliate program, then find the particular shoe to put into that link. And after that, I'm pretty sure that you're gonna get some traffic. Method number 2 for making money online with ChatGPT is to run a YouTube faceless channel. Now, a lot of people are already doing this successfully without stepping in front of the camera, without showing their faces, or without even recording their own voices. A lot of these channels have been making $10,000 a month with this type of YouTube channel. You can go ahead and make money from ad revenue, or you can just go ahead and promote affiliate products, namely products like software, which can be great, especially if you get a monthly recurring commission of that. You can also go ahead and sell courses if you want to, which you can easily make hundreds upon thousands of dollars. You can just go ahead and ask ChatGPT for ideas for running a YouTube faceless channel. And then once you have your niche, you can also go ahead and ask for some video ideas, and you can also use another tools or implement another tools like 11 Labs, InVideo AI, or Pictory AI, and more. I'm going to show you this very basic example that has been only generated by using AI. So right now we are inside ChatGPT again, and I gave it this simple prompt. Give me 10 best niche to create videos for YouTube faceless channel, and we have a bunch of ideas right here that we could go ahead and choose from. And if you don't like any of these ideas, you can just go ahead and click on the reset button right here or restart button, and it will go ahead and provide you with new additional ideas. So let's just go ahead and say that I've chosen this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and paste it into this another AI tool called InVideo AI, where I'm gonna go ahead and just paste it inside this prompt, and I'm gonna go ahead and click generate a video. So by literally doing those two basic simple steps, I literally created a whole video ready to be posted on my YouTube channel. So this is a very simple method that you could go ahead and follow, and as you progress, you can go ahead and learn new techniques on how to go ahead and implement AI tools inside your faceless channel. Now, the very last method that we are going to talk about is called email writing. Every single company in the world that has an email list needs to send email to that list in order to do things like give customers their value and eventually sell their customers their different products. It's a very time-consuming task to actually sit there and write emails yourself and schedule them out, so a lot of companies go ahead and hire freelancers in order to write these emails for them. Now, think about the fact that you can have 20 different clients paying you $1,000 per month each to write a daily email for their brand, promoting their product or anything else that they request. And the brilliant thing is you can use ChatGPT to write these emails for you by just plugging in a prompt like write me a 500-word email promoting my course and to that specific product. And ChatGPT will literally write entire emails for you. It will even give you subject lines that you can also use for your client emails. And if you have 20 clients paying you $1,000 a month each, that's $20,000 per month by literally just using ChatGPT. Even better, if your client want to change something into that email, you can just go ahead and send the feedback to ChatGPT and it will go ahead and revise the whole email for you. So that will be it for our video for today, but there are a lot of ways you can earn money by using ChatGPT. You just have to be creative with it. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.